Alright, crypto faithful, what if I told you that one of the most talked about meme coins is showing all the signals for a massive 45% pump in the very near future? We're talking about a potential breakout that could redefine its trajectory and put serious gains in your pocket. And that's not all. Ethereum, the king of all coins, just pulled off a stunning comeback, proving its resilience despite recent market FUD. Is $3,000 the floor for ETH as we head into Q3? You better believe we're about to uncover the shocking truth behind these moves. What is up, my Gold Rush family? Your boy, Gold Rush, here, and if you're part of our close-knit crypto community, you know we don't just talk about the market, we attack it. Today, we're bringing that signature high-energy analysis, diving headfirst into two scorching hot topics that could dictate your next crypto moves. Whether you're just starting your crypto journey or you're a seasoned diamond hand veteran, this video is packed with insights you absolutely need to see. So, get ready, because we're about to dig into some serious gold. Let's kick things off with this absolutely fascinating article from CoinChapter, hot off the presses, titled Shiba Inu Breakout Alert. 45% rally in sight as Shib Alpha Layer boosts SHIB utility. Wow. Just wow. This is exactly the kind of news that gets my crypto senses tingling. As you can see right here in the article, it states, Shiba Inu, SHIB/USD, formed a descending channel pattern on the 4-hour chart. If SHIB confirms a breakout above the upper boundary of this channel, the price may rise by approximately 45% from the current level of $0.00001212, targeting a move towards $0.00001750. 45%, folks. That's not a small jump. The article continues. The 50-period exponential moving average, EMA, currently at $0.00001242, acts as dynamic resistance. A strong breakout above this EMA, paired with volume increase, could trigger a bullish reversal. This is crucial. If SHIB smashes through that wall with increased volume, that's a massive signal. The price has already rebounded from the lower channel boundary, often the calm before a breakout storm. If you're already feeling the excitement building, smash that like button right now. It tells me you're ready for more in-depth crypto analysis like this. Don't forget to subscribe to Gold Rush Crypto Daily and hit that notification bell so you're always ahead of the curve. Now, let's talk momentum. The article brings in the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, the 4-hour Relative Strength Index, RSI, for Shiba Inu, SHIB/USD, stands at 46.50. However, the RSI line crossing above its moving average suggests a slight shift toward bullish momentum. This is subtle, but powerful. The momentum is shifting. Next, the Stochastic Momentum Index, or SMI. The article states, currently, the SMI line has crossed above the signal line from below, which often signals early bullish momentum. This is an early warning system. An SMI crossover, even below zero, suggests SHIB is transitioning from a weak trend to an upward push. And the hits just keep coming. Let's look at the Directional Movement Index, or DMI. According to CoinChapter, the plus DI is above the minus DI, suggesting bullish pressure. Meanwhile, the ADX above 25 confirms that this trend has strength. Buyers are winning, and the trend is strong. Finally, the Ichimoku Cloud shows early signs of a possible bullish reversal. While SHIB trades just below the cloud, recent strong bullish and weak bullish signals suggest growing upward momentum. If SHIB breaks above the cloud and holds above $0.00001250, it could flip the trend into a bullish phase. Boom. Flipping the trend. All these indicators are singing the same bullish song, pointing to that potential 45% breakout. But wait, there's more. The article shifts to a monumental fundamental development. Shiba Inu launches Shib Alpha Layer to upgrade rollup infrastructure. This is huge. Built in partnership with Elder Labs, the system settles on Ethereum and aims to unify multiple roll apps into one fast and scalable layer. This isn't just a minor update. This is a foundational upgrade. It removes the need for users to manage multiple bridges or wallets, streamlining user experience. As SHIB developer Calderia shared, it offers ultra-fast transactions and near-instant finality, bringing Web 2.0-level responsiveness to decentralized applications. That, my friends, is a game-changer for adoption and utility. And it gets even better. Shib Alpha Layer enables multi-gas token payments, allowing users to pay transaction fees in various tokens. Flexibility and privacy is also a core feature. It includes FHE, fully homomorphic encryption, capabilities, supporting XAMA FHE integration for encrypted smart contract execution when needed. Privacy and security built in. The planned updates include instant bridging and native interoperability, meaning liquidity will flow freely. All roll-apps will function as Layer 3 solutions on top of Shibarium, inheriting its security and expanding Shib's utility. This positions Shibarium as the central settlement layer for an entire ecosystem. This utility increase is precisely what can fuel that 45% price explosion. Alright, so we've got Shiba Inu looking primed for a massive move. But let's shift gears slightly and talk about the big daddy of altcoins. Because what Ethereum has done recently is nothing short of incredible. Let's dive into this next article from AMB Crypto titled, Ethereum Recovers 20% in June. Will $3,000 be ETH's next stop in Q3? This is just as exciting. The article points out that June's only halfway through, and Ethereum ETH has already absorbed two sharper corrections than Bitcoin, BTC. But beneath the surface, this isn't random. It shows a calculated reset, a shakeout. It's clearing out weak hands. And then, the glorious rebound. ETH rebounded 20.3% off the lows, clearly outpacing Bitcoin's 10.03% move in the same window. 20%. That's not a fluke. That kind of relative strength post-capitulation reinforces Ethereum's structural support. It's like ETH is saying, you can try to knock me down, but I'm coming back stronger. The article explains that the recent drop was triggered by a heavy round of futures deleveraging. This is critical, folks. Leverage gets flushed out, making the market healthier. And despite that, ETH's swift recovery is a huge bullish signal. Clearly, the leverage flush didn't dent underlying demand. There's strong underlying demand for ETH. Nothing screams resilience like Ethereum's futures setup. Despite the recent liquidation wave, Ethereum's open interest has rebounded 5% to $36 billion, while funding rates remain firmly positive, signaling a strong long-side bias. Positive funding rates with rebounding open interest? That's bullish. And the estimated leverage ratio, ELR, is ticking higher again after a sharp reset. This means leverage is rotating back in, but on a stronger foundation. This pattern is important. Each cycle, Ethereum resets higher, builds stronger structural support, and uses that as a launchpad for parabolic recoveries. If this holds, the setup shifts from high risk to high reward. And here's the bold prediction from the article, making $3,000 just the starting line as we move into Q3. $3,000 as the starting line. That's incredibly exciting for ETH holders and potential investors. So there you have it, my Gold Rush fam. Shiba Inu, with its powerful technical signals and the game-changing Shib Alpha Layer, is looking poised for a significant 45% rally. And Ethereum, after two calculated shakeouts, is demonstrating incredible resilience and fundamental strength, setting the stage for $3,000 to become its new floor. If you found this video insightful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your crypto-loving friends, and most importantly, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and turn on all notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive into the markets. And as always, remember, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only. Do your own research, consult with a professional, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. The crypto market is volatile. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll catch you in the next video. Let's get this crypto.